Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint white watercolor flowers without using art masking fluid. Now let's get started. Firstly, we lightly outline the sunflowers using a pencil. Just be careful not to press down too hard, otherwise it could leave some traces that are hard to remove. After drawing, we can start painting. Here I'm using this blending medium to slow down the drying process. Feel free to skip this step as this is not mandatory. Now I'm applying water to the top 3/4 of the background, then immediately painting this portion outside the boundaries of the petals using light red. The paint I'm using is Holbein W212 Rose Madder. And here is a very important tip. Make the first wash lighter by adding a generous amount of water to the paint, so it'll slow the drying process and also avoiding unwanted blotches. Now we can add thicker paint close to the area of the petals. Remember to make it natural, otherwise it won't look very vivid in the end. One thing you may want to keep in mind is don't fill the whole background with solid red. And also you can leave some white place to make it more aesthetically appealing. The bottom quarter of the paper is completely dry, so be careful when painting the bottom portion to avoid leaving unnatural horizontal blotches. You can simply paint the bottom part. You see some watercolor blotches at the boundary between the damp and dry areas. Don't worry, that's completely normal. As you can see, now we can paint with a darker color in a few spots, blending and spreading the color out. Now we can use some white ink to clean up. So now we can barely see the boundary and color blending in naturally. Now we can use another brush to tap it and splatter some white paint around the picture. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye!